tired of stubborn, caked-on messes that just won't budge? Are you fed up with plastic sponges that get grimy, smell bad, and end up in a landfill? It's time for a smarter, tougher, and more natural solution. Introducing the 100% eco-friendly Coconut Coir Brush. This is the traditional power of nature, perfected for your modern home. What makes it so special? It starts with the bristles. They're made from all-natural, heavy-duty coconut coir. They are stiff enough to tackle any grime, but won't scratch most surfaces. Plus, these natural fibers are antimicrobial and odor-resistant. That means no more mildewy smell. Just a fresh, clean brush every single time. And it's not just for the kitchen. Use it to scrub bathroom tiles, clean your garden tools, or get the mud off your boots. It's the one brush that does it all. It's durable, it's long-lasting, and when you're finally done with it, it's fully biodegradable. Stop scrubbing with plastic. Start cleaning with the power of coconut. Get your Coconut Coir brush today and switch to a cleaner home and a cleaner planet.